For today's video, I will show you to how disassemble a system unit. So, let's get started.
First step, remove all the cable wires in the hardwares.
You pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing.
Second step, remove the power supply.
Oh, I've put my trust in you. Pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's
Third step, remove the hard drive.
I tried so hard,
Next, remove the CD-ROM.
but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all.
Lastly, the motherboard and cooling fan.
I look down the line and what's there is not what ought to be. Held back by the battles they fought for me, calling me to be part of their property. And now I see that I get no chance, I get no break. Fakes and
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't